I'm Dr. Benjamin Yagoubian. I'm the oral surgeon at Torrance Oral Surgery Center. I grew up in Los Angeles, California. I really loved living down here as the weather is always amazing and beautiful. I studied at UC Berkeley for my undergraduate education. And then from there, I wanted to experience another city, and New York City really grabbed my heart. And so I went to Columbia University and I studied for dental school there, and it was such an amazing place to be. I decided to stay on for oral surgery and also obtain my medical degree at Columbia University Medical Center. What drew me to this field and to dentistry in general was my long passion for working with my hands as a young child. I used to create remote control cars, RC cars, from scratch, and I would race those. That in combination with healthcare and being able to impact someone's life and change it and improve it really led me to dentistry because it combined those two together. We're going. I'm very lucky to be married to my wife, Layla. She is the heart and soul of our family, and the rock really puts us together. We have 2 kids, Jeremy and Oliver. When I'm not at the office with Layla and Jeremy and Oliver, we love to go to the beach, hang out. We also like to watch movies as a family together and cook in the kitchen. We definitely love making pizza.
Make believe, won't you ride along with me?
Here at Torrance Oral Surgery Center, the goal for our patients is comfort and safety. We all know that the dental office is the last place anyone wants to be. So we try to take that out of being in our environment. We try to make it as little as possible as a dental office and as a place where you feel home and just want to be. When you walk into the office, you'll be greeted with smiling faces, with people that will hold your hand and care for you. Every staff member or team member here really wants your care and your comfort as their #1 goal. Whether it's from implants to wisdom teeth, to sinus lifts, bone grafting, or even jaw lesions and tumors or cysts, we are here and we are trained to take care of you. The most rewarding part about what we do as a team here is that we get to provide smiles to patients. We get to bring them out of discomfort. When a patient comes in, 90% of the time, they're in some uncomfortable situation. We get to take that discomfort and turn it into a smile, because we want to make you feel like you're in Hawaii. As I tell all our patients, when we're going to take care of you, we want you to just relax on a white sandy beach and let us do what we need to do, and we'll get you out of that discomfort.
It was a wonderful experience here with my son. First time he had ever had to have any type of surgery. He was a little nervous. And Dr. Yagoubian made it a very easy, wonderful experience for my child. The office staff was amazing. They were very friendly. They were very courteous. They made sure that I was at ease through the entire procedure. I couldn't say enough wonderful things about him in the office.
From the moment you walk in the door, aesthetically, the interior design it's pleasing, it's comfortable, it's clean. You get smiles from the front desk staff, treated well. They sincerely ask you how you're doing, and they actually listen, they look at you. You can tell every single person takes pride in their work, and there truly is a mastery, and I'm impressed by that. To the point that I've actually had other dentists, and I'm talking about 3 to 5 other dentists, actually look at his x-rays, and they were amazed. They said, wow, who did this work? You should continue going to this person.
I normally don't trust doctors, but for some reason, he was very trustworthy. And I'm glad I trusted him, because I just, I did what he asked, or what he recommended, and it actually worked.
This is a really cool office because it's so clean, and the people who work here, the doctors, they're really nice and they're just really fun.
He was very nice, easygoing. He explained everything efficiently. They are very friendly. They worked around with my insurance and everything, and I'm so grateful for that. Even when I came in, they remembered my dad, so they were just very friendly, and they make you feel comfortable.
He explains things on our level, as far as some doctors, it's hard to understand on their level because they talk like in doctor's terms, but he explains things on our level so we understand, so we don't have any questions. I had a very good feeling the first day I met him.
What matters most to me at Torrance Oral Surgery Center is to see my patients happy. I always tell my patients, if you're happy, I'm happy. That's our #1 goal. And as long as we're able to execute that, I know that we've done the right thing for our patients.